Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, this is a velocity addition problem. So we have a train that's traveling at 27 meters per second, and actually we can put an observer on that train. So let's do that. We have an observer on that train, and that's relative to the ground, and this person on the ground is throwing a ball in the same direction that is moving at 15 meters per second relative to the Earth. My symbols mean T is the train and E is the Earth and B is the ball. And now, so for part A, we want to find out what the velocity of the ball as seen by the train is. So our relative velocity formula says VBT is velocity of the ball with respect to the Earth plus the velocity of the Earth, relative to the train. Remember that has to be because the order of the indices requires the formula to look like this. So VET is minus VTE. So this VBE was 15 and VTE is 27. So we subtract 27. And so the velocity of the ball with respect to the train is minus 12 meters per second. That's part A. And in part B, the difference is that the velocity of the ball with respect to the Earth now is going to be minus 15 because we're going to make it go to the left relative to the person on the ground. So the velocity of the ball relative to the train, again, VBE minus, let's say plus VET, which is VBE now was minus 15, and VET is minus 27, and so we get minus 42 meters per second.